How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be going over my portfolio yet again. As you see, I'm at $10,972, down 10.53% today, $1,311.73 down. And after hours, we're down 1.58%, $176.29. In the past week, I'm down $36. 36.05%, which is $6,186.77. And in the past month, I am down 66.09%, which is $21,385.41. Past 3 months, down 25.02%, which is $3,661.84. And in the past year, I'm up 15.24%. As you see, I've been getting hammered by the markets. And the first thing I wanted to go over is some put options that I actually started buying. I can't believe I haven't really thought about this sooner, but I should have been buying put options on the market just as like a something to mitigate the risk. So if the markets are going up and I put a put option, I'm not going to lose that much money because my portfolio value will be going up from all the stocks, but then the put option would lose value because the market's going up. So I should have been doing this since the beginning. I didn't think it would get this bad. That's why that's why I didn't buy any put options. But as you see, the markets have been going down for well over a month now. Let's actually see. As you see over here, the Dow. If we look at the Dow Jones, if this could load up anytime. God, why is it not? There we go. The Dow. It's been over a month since the Dow's been going down straight. So if I would have bought some put options since the beginning, then I would have been making a ton of money. But you know what? You can't predict what happens. But as I've been saying, what Italy and China's been doing, and I believe that's what's going to happen to the United States, where it's going to get so bad that they're basically going to have to close down everything just so they can slow down the spread of this virus that's going around. You all know, the Dow was up all the way to 29.5. As you see, the 52-week high, 29.5, and just the other day, it was at 21,000. And yesterday was one of the greenest days in the history of the stock market. It went up almost 2,000 points, which is very, very good. But we don't know what's going to happen next week. We know that this virus will keep on spreading more and more and more, and we don't know if the warm weather is going to stop it. And even if the warm weather comes and it stops it, then other countries that are having to have their winter, they're going to start experiencing this. But if the United States starts shutting down everything, many people believe that the markets could go all the way down to $15,000 around down here, and that would be catastrophic. That's basically halfway what it is right now. And if that does happen, I'm going to be buying put options until we find a cure or until everything starts to slow down. I will continue to buy put options, probably that expire every 2 weeks, that I see are good, just to mitigate, just to have less risk out there, just so I can make money on the way down. If the markets continue to drop, that's what I'm going to be doing. But let's actually go over the two options that I bought. I bought the 238 put. I saw that the markets were very green today. I didn't think it would continue to go up like to record highs, but it did. And I bought, as you see, I'm down 65.78% on this. This one expires on March 18th next week. So we're going to have to see if the markets continue to go up, then I'll sell off before it expires so I can at least keep some of the equity that I have in it. And the next put option I bought is the 250 put that expires on, when does it expire? I think the 20th? The 23rd, yes, March 23rd. This one I'm down to $1,012, 6.5%. So if the markets continue to go down, these two babies will break even and then come back, and then I'll sell off for some profit so that I can buy some more shares of some companies. Oh, sorry about that. I don't know why it went off, but let's actually go over some of the holdings. Square right now, I have 11 shares. I'm down 19.22%. My average cost is $70. It's at $57.04. I don't have that much money. Tuesday I will get paid, I don't know if I will be adding money into the markets because I do have lots of bills to pay. But after the next paycheck, I should be adding maybe $100, $200 every 2 or 3 weeks. $200 to the market, so I could average down and buy some more things because this is the time. I don't think this is gonna last for quite a while, maybe a few months until they can find a cure, and until then the markets will continue to stay low. That's what I believe. Okay, I actually did have let's actually look at my history because I did sell some stuff to cash in some profits because I believe that the markets will still go down a little bit. Let's look at my history. As you see, I did sell some Tesla shares. I'm up so much on my Tesla stock that it doesn't even matter to me. And if it continues to go down, then I'll buy some. And if it doesn't, then I'll just buy some on the way up. It doesn't really matter to me. I believe that Tesla stock can go up to $3,000 in the next 5 to 10 years. So, I mean, it would be nice if Tesla continued to drop, so I can buy some more shares at a lower price. I did buy some Nvidia shares as well. Sell some Nvidia shares. Let's actually see some more. Let's look at my orders. Let's see here. As you see, 15 shares for 520. I also sold some Nvidia shares, 7 shares for 228. Some more Tesla, 572, 2 for 572, 3 for 578. Activision, 15 shares at 555.68. And these are all profits. I did not sell anything for losses. Here's some more. I bought some Facebook, 1 share of Facebook, some Planet Fitness, and these are more older ones: Aurora Canvas and Square, Roku. I'm gonna wait a little bit more before I start buying again. I do only have 2,000. If it's red on Monday, I'll probably buy some more, and hopefully my put options go up. But let's go on to the next one. Facebook at $167. In the past week, it's down 1.52%. Past month, down 19.64%. Past 3 months, down 14.47%. And in the past year, it is down 1.61%. And right here, as you see, I have 7 shares at my average cost is $186. I am down 10.26%, which is down $133.64. Next one, Nvidia, it's at 237, up 11.34% today. Past week, it's down 1.19. Past month, down 12.21. Past 3 months, up 4.94. And past year, it's up 40.27%. So still good by Nvidia. I got a little dividend coming in. I have 8 shares at 193.60, so I'm up 22.44% at 347 and 58 cents. And if this continues to go down below 200, I would like to buy some more. I love Nvidia for its future of autonomous vehicles. It's gonna be a big player in that. Tesla down 2.49% today. Past week it's down 11.96%. Past month down 31.41%. Past 3 months up 47.15%, and in the past year it is up 82.43%. I have 16 shares. My average cost is at $281, and I'm up 89.78% at $4,038.27. I would love to see Tesla go down another $100 so I can rebuy all the shares. I would love to have 50 shares of Tesla if that's possible. If it goes to 400, under 450, I would buy as many shares as possible of Tesla. I will just load the boat as much as I can. Next one we have here is Uber at 23.03 cents, down 0.04%. But after hours, it's up a little bit, 1.9%. Past week down 20%. Past month down 44%. Past 3 months down 20.89%, and past year it's down 48.82%. If this can go to under 20 bucks, I'll buy a lot. I think Uber is gonna be another big player in the ride sharing business. That and Tesla, both of these ones are gonna be the top dogs. Both are gonna have over hundreds of billions of market cap once it's all said and done. So there's a lot of potential in this. I would love to have a few hundred shares, honestly, of Uber if it's possible. I am really trying to work as much as I can. I have to pay bills. I would love to be adding $1,000 a month to my portfolio if possible. If I can do that, and if this virus continues to go bad for until the end of this year, if it lasts that long, I would be good. I'll probably add another 10,000 into the market, which would be beautiful. Honestly, I would love that. I would love that. Have enough time to add as much as possible into the stock market, because the stock market's been getting hit hard. But the thing is that I'm seeing also is that since the market is going down so fast, I don't think it's gonna recover slowly. I think it will recover really fast. Like as soon as like as soon as it goes down, it's gonna go straight up. That's what usually has been happening with these little corrections. But this is not a little correction. This is a way bigger dip than I've ever seen so far, and I've been in the market since 2016, 2017. I haven't seen a dip this deep. But usually, any little correction that we've had, I think there's been two or three. Other than this, as soon as it goes down in either in a week or two, it goes back up and it's back to all-time highs. That's what I've been seeing. So we're gonna have to see. Maybe it's gonna be as soon as it goes straight down, it's gonna go straight back up. And I really don't want that to happen. I really need to get these paychecks out. The thing is that I get paid every 2 weeks, and I don't like that. I want to get paid every week, which sucks. But I'm still going to be working as much as I can to get as much money to put into the markets, because this is a golden opportunity, even at these prices. And if it continues to go down, then it's going to get better and better as long as you can put in money into the market. And that's why I'm making these videos. So hopefully I can get monetized and start making money, so I can start adding more into the market. And it's going to be a snowball effect. Boom, 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 more videos, more money. It's going to be crazy. And then we'll get closer to that 50,000. And then we'll make a new series to go from 50 to 100, and then 100 to 250, then 250 to 500. But that's going to take a while for that to happen. Next one we have here, Roku, up 2.72% past week, down 11.74% past month, down 42.79% past 3 months, down 40.1% past year. All past year it is up 30% exactly. I have 16 shares at 125. It is down 35.82%. What is it? Well, I'm down $760.75. Next one are the three cannabis. These ones are just getting hammered. I don't think that you're gonna be able to survive, especially Aurora cannabis. It sucks because I have so much equity in it, but I'm playing my cards. I said I'm willing to take on the risk, and I am. I am willing to take on that risk. But let's talk about IIPR. IIPR is up 8.89%. Past week's down 16.5. Past month down 23.02. Past 2 months down 3.4, and in the past year it is down 10.83. I have 20 shares. My average cost is 103, and I'm down 31.01%, which is $642.96. Next one, Aurora Cannabis. It's at 79 cents now. Holy, up 9.98%. Let's say 52. The 52 we love was at 63 cents. Holy crap, guys! It was at 63 cents. Oh my god, that's crazy. In the past week, down 17.19%. Past month down 48.71%. Past 3 months down 70%. Past year down 91.28%. I'm saying if Aurora Campus could survive and get back to $1, then I'm saying that this company, if you can buy it at these prices, and if you could still believe that they can survive at these prices, at these times, if it bounces back and it gets back to its all-time highs, this is going to be a 20 bagger if it just gets back to its all-time highs. And not considering that it has so much potential, if it can survive what's been going on, if it can survive, then because let's see, the lowest, the last time it was around these prices was on August 26th or August or September of 2016. These prices, that's freaking insane, man. But let's look at what I have, 4,546 shares. Average cost. I thought I had a good average cost, but look at that. I'm down more than 57%, down $4,929, guys. Damn. My portfolio used to be so much. It was over 25,000, but because of two things. Tesla almost being at 1,000, and I had so many shares. I had like 30 shares, and I sold most of it. And Aurora Cannabis being way higher than it is right now. That's how I had almost 25,000. Next one we have is Canopy Growth. Right now it's up 18%, but down 2% after hours. Past week, down 17.92%. Past month, down 46.72%. Past 3 months, down 48.14%. And in the past year, it is down 76.67%. Same thing with this 52-week high was at $52. And now it's at $10. Oh my God. Caffeine is on a way better position than overall cannabis. I would like to put some also. I want to get my equity up to 5,000. Just so many good deals right now, and if these companies can survive, they'll be so very, very good for the future. Very good. Last one, Planet Fitness. Last day down 11.71%. Past week down 8.43%. Past month down 34.69%. Past 3 months down 25.41%, and in the past year it is down 18.83%. I have 4 shares at $57.42. I'm down 4.17% at $11.88. I didn't have any money to buy yesterday because yesterday was everything was such good prices, and it's just insane. But we're gonna have to see what happens if when we see what happens if it would just drop down the next few days, so my options can go back up, so I can sell them. Yeah, because even Apple was down really, really low. 52-week high was 52-week low was $170 down here. But yeah, even Apple's not doing that bad. But in the past month, it's down 14%. 52-week high, Apple was up to 327. Now it's at 273. The lowest it's been was 248. Holy! It was at 248 yesterday. On Thursday. That's crazy. Yeah. I'm really interested in AMD and Shopify. I really want to get into AMD and Shopify. I want to see, let's actually see. The lowest has been $39. 39. Yeah. Let's see. If we can see at 35, that would be beautiful. If it can go down to 35, I would buy like as much as I can of AMD as well. AMD and Shopify are the two that I really, really want to buy a lot of. If this one can go to low 300s, I would love that. It could possibly get down to, it just depends. Because what I'm thinking is my brother's closed down school. My mom's going to start working from home or company. And I basically said that most people were going to start working from home. And with this spread going around, I believe a lot of companies are going to be doing the same. Not that many people are going to be going out as much. That means not that many people are buying. That means the economy's going to go down because there's not that much money going around. Work is probably a lot of companies are going to lay off workers. People need money to survive. If people are not working and not making money, then the economy is going to go down more and more and more. We just don't know how much it was going to go down. Many people are saying that this might be the lowest point, but I don't think so. I think that the United States is going to shut down at least for a little bit until they can figure out any vaccines or cures or anything to stop this. And once they can do that, then everything will slowly get back up to speed, or maybe it'll go up fast. I don't know. I think because of the history of the past corrections, that as soon as everything gets back to normal, there's going to be a huge comeback. So if we miss this opportunity, it's going to be tough. It is going to be tough for me. I'm going to be kicking myself for such a long time for not buying as much as I wanted to. I have been buying, but I haven't been buying at this low level. And now I'm waiting because I have no more money, and this freaking sucks. Because I really want to buy. Hopefully these put options make me some money, so then I can get that money, buy one more put option, and then buy some more shares. That's the plan. Hopefully these two put options make me some money. Then I buy another put option, and with the money that I made from all the other put options, buy shares when they go, companies shares when they go down. That's the plan for me. Let me know how you guys are doing. My portfolio is getting hammered. It doesn't really bother me. This is money that I'm willing to lose. This is what I've been saying in my channel every single time I make a video. Only invest money that you do not need. I do not need any of this money. I can lose it all, and it would not affect my life. Of course, it's gonna suck losing. I mean, at the highest point, I think I was at $37,000 in this portfolio. I have another portfolio, but I do not share that portfolio. This is the portfolio that I share. In this portfolio, I share everything that's going on. I don't care. I show you what I'm doing, and that's all. Okay, so drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. I'm gonna be posting more videos. Hopefully, I can post another 3 videos at least next week. This week's been hard. I've been working a lot during the day, and as soon as I get home, I work out, and then I'm too tired to do anything. I did record another video, but I lost the footage. I don't know how. The footage did not. It just deleted. I don't know what happened, but it deleted it. Hopefully, this footage does not delete it. And if you see this footage, obviously it didn't delete. But okay, but that's the end of the video, guys. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Peace.